tear down the walls. We can tear down the walls. You try it. Tear down the walls. We can tear down the walls. Beneath our skin, the action we take, the strength we find, the changes we make, the hand we hold to a safer place, the courage to speak face to face. From the ears to our hands, to the ground where we stand, we are holy and whole, every woman and man. Being together, speaking alive, only together will we survive. We can tear down the walls, brick by brick, one by one, one by one, till our love is great and feel. Do we remember why we are here? We can tear down the walls. Every voice sing, tear down the walls. Tear down the walls. We can tear down the walls. Sometimes a stranger is someone new. Sometimes a stranger is part of you. The distance we make can cause so much pain. A time to turn, look again, birth of a child, months of the year, the hurt and the healing, hope reveals. Sometimes it feels hurt to the ground, the foot of the hand, come around. You sing. We can tear down the walls, brick by brick, one by one. Love, love, great feel. Do you remember why we are here? Tear down the walls, tear down every daughter of the sun, every daughter, every son, so we can build on better land. We can remember we come from. Tear down the wall, tear down the wall, tear down the wall. We can tear down the wall.
With love, we can tear down the walls. I believe that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word in reality. That is why right, temporarily defeated, is stronger than evil, triumphant. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr.
Power based on love is 1,000 times more effective and permanent than the one derived from fear of punishment. Mahatma Gandhi.
Let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. Mother Teresa.
With courage, we can tear down the walls. It is from numberless diverse acts of courage and belief that human history is shaped. Robert F. Kennedy.
With education, we can tear down the walls. Education is the great engine of personal development. It is through education that the daughter of a peasant can become a doctor, that a son of a mine worker can become the head of the mine, that a child of farm workers can become the president of a great nation. Nelson Mandela.
With action, we can tear down the walls. I knew someone had to take the first step, and I made up my mind not to move. Rosa Parks.
With faith and responsibility, we can tear down the walls. I still believe, in spite of everything, that people are truly good at heart and frank.
This is the duty of our generation as we enter the 21st century. Solidarity with the weak, the persecuted, the lonely, the sick, and those in despair. Levi Zeller.
With respect, we can tear down the walls. To be one, to be united, is a great thing. But to respect the right to be different is maybe even greater. Bona.
When we lift every voice and sing, when we lift our eyes, when we lift our legs and our arms and our souls, when we embrace people of all races, religions, cultures, ethnicities, abilities, economic classes, and sexual orientations, we truly lift each other and honor the words and life work of so many who have come before us, inspiring us over and over again to tear down the walls.
Tear down the walls. We can tear down the walls. Tear down the walls. We can tear down the walls. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, one heart. Let's get together. Let's get together and feel alright. Every voice sing together, it's harmony. One love, one heart, one heart. Let's get together. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together. Let's get together and it will be